Hello and welcome. How to make a paper bag? I've taken a sheet and I'm going to fold it equally, and the corners, and then I open the sheet, fold it, close the corners. This is going to overlap one on top of the other. Okay, and make it easy. You can put it inside just like this. And so that I have put this inside the other so that it stands strong. And this is going to be the top portion of the bag where the fold is. It's going to be the top portion of the bag. Now, what do you do for this? Again, you fold it, press it down, pull the paper down, fold the bottom part. We are going to one, and this is going to be the top portion. And when we do that, we realize that there's a gap down. So what do we do? Take this and I open the sheet, bottom portion, and fold this portion inside, and fold this portion also inside, and tie, and staple this portion, and you have the bag. This is the portion of the bag. Okay? Paper bag to the bottom like this, and this on top, and then I will take, I will show you all how to cut out paper flower like these. How to take in a newspaper, and I'm going to just fold it in half. And I just take the scissors and draw a spiral, spiral right from the center. I go like this, and take the scissors paper, and this I'm going to get slice flowers in this. I take out one, take two, this as the bottom base, and this as the base. I want to start with from the top and start rolling it in. Roll it tight, and then I bring it to the center. Yeah. I have your paper rolls ready. And to stick this portion here, we have to apply Fevicol and press it and hold it for 20 seconds. And you hold it tight on the Fevicol, only then it stays tight. This is how is the easiest way to make a paper rose. If you're decorating your paper bag, you can put it in the middle and make it as decorative as you want. Thank you.